Hi, welcome to AC English and thank you for visiting. We're still talking about the verb tenses, and this time is the present perfect continuous, or in American, the present perfect progressive tense. And by the way, the perfect tenses are more common in British than in American. So, what is this all about? This tense is used with the words for and since to talk about an activity that started in the past and still happening. And the structure is subject plus have and has plus been plus present participle and time reference. So in this sentence, I have been working since 8 o'clock. I is the subject, have been. Why have? Because I is considered plural in English grammar. The present participle is working since, and the time reference is 8 o'clock. Okay? This is also used to describe an activity that happened for a time in the past, but whose result is visible now. For example, my hands are dirty because I have been gardening. What is the result? The hands being dirty. What was the action? Gardening. You look tired. Have you been working? What was the action? Working. What's the result? Looking tired. Alright? More examples. My friend has been waiting for us since this morning. They have been living in a new house for a month. She has been learning English for almost 10 years. What you need to remember here is the number of the subject. If the subject is singular, like in this sentence, friend, it is followed by has. If the subject is plural, and it is followed by have. Well, the present participle of the verb is always the ing form. So, waiting, living, learning. And these are the time references. This morning, a month, 10 years. The present perfect continuous tense is also used to describe recent actions that have an effect on the present. For example, the boys have been playing all afternoon and they are exhausted. So what is the result? They're exhausted. What have they been doing this afternoon? Playing all afternoon. I've been working in the garden for about 4 hours and I'm tired. So the result is being tired. What was the activity? Working in the garden. And what's the time reference? 4 hours. Are you ready for a quiz? Oh, by the way, how to use for and since will be explained in the next video. So don't worry about that. Now, here's the quiz. There you are. Check your answers. All correct? Good students. If you have any questions, please write them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And if you found the contents useful, please subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell. Please help me reach as many students as I can. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!